Now we divide 822 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 6, so we put down this 2 and it is 22. 6 times 3 is 18. On subtracting we get 4. So again this 4 is less than 6, so we put down this 2 and it is 42. 6 times 7 is 42. On subtracting we get 0. So 822 divided by 6 is 137. So this much for today and thanks for watching.